say this is a definite palette that if you would like a good, I'd say it's not just a warm neutral. There is cool colors on this side, but it's got a good blend of matte and shimmer. And I like this palette a lot, y'all. I'd say it's definitely one. It's probably around 30, 40 bucks. But if you've got it to spare, great. If you don't have that much, here is a great palette that you can get at the drugstore or still at Ulta, and it's Maybelline's The City Mini Palette. And this is Rooftop Bronzes. Ah! Oh, thank goodness it didn't crack. But that's the colors on the eye, and that's the colors in the actual piece. And it's got really good, now I will say about this, it doesn't have any mattes. So I would say this is really for younger people, not to put down older people. But sometimes you need to work a little more with mattes. And that's alright. Now I've got to do some blending here because this is looking kind of crazy dark. So we're just going to blend the lines. And as you blend the lines, you're taking a little bit of the color off too. And that's good. Don't over blend into each other, just at the line. Because I don't want to lose these beautiful colors. I don't want to take away the burgundy out of this brown. I think I almost just did because I over blended right there. Oh, can't see as much of that brown now. I mean that burgundy. It were pretty. Yeah, it kind of warmed it up. I don't know, it's still in there. Still in there. Okay. And we're going to go to either side of the nose, which gives a little bit of a slimming effect. And people can bring it on down like that if they want to and try to get a real contoury look, but that's going to be a hard thing to do with a blending brush. But it kind of works. Yeah. I don't know if that was the right thing to do. I'm so glad to have my little makeup towel back. Y'all, my husband accidentally washed it with bleach and it's blue. It was black. And now it's like this beautiful royal purple blue. I have another one that actually says makeup on the black towel. And I really enjoyed that one as well. Where is my lip products? There. Y'all, I'm taking so long to get ready. I'm sorry. I'm having a good time. Hope y'all are. This is not the right color at all. I picked up the wrong one. Which one is this? This must be Sensual Rose. It is. It's brighter than, I don't know, why not? It's the weekend. I wouldn't call this my usual everyday. But hey, the weekend is an event just to have one. Alright, hold on. I was going to say that's the best I've ever done, but it's not. Alright. How's that? Any better? There we go. How'd that do? How'd that do ya? Oh, how'd it do ya? I got to take some stuff back to Charming Charlie today. Want to meet up? Meet up with Beth as she returns things. I bet they'd really appreciate that. I never can get it exactly right. I just can't. That's the best I can do for today. There's kind of a point when you're doing makeup, you're like, I'm done. Even if it doesn't look perfectly blended or whatever, it's like, it's okay. It's one day in the life. It's not got to be perfect. It's not an event where people are going to be taking pictures of you. Now watch me go out in public, and there'll be 100 people who go, Beth, I need a picture of you. It never happens. I'm not worried. Okay. Right now, I'm using the Tartist. This Tartist eyeliner has a very good gel eyeliner on one end that appears to be pretty long lasting. And you do that for the waterline, and then on the other end it has a liquid liner that you can use for the upper lid. to make a little cat eye, which we're going to do. There we go. See, it's got the crayon on one side, and it's a good crayon. This is what it looks like. It's called the Tartist. And the other side is a liquid liner. But what I don't like, it is a, it's not brush, it's not a brush, it is a pencil liner. Not pencil, what am I trying to say? Pen. But you can make a thinner tip by just using the tip end of it instead of the whole end of the nib there.